Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? We hope that you and your family are fine and enjoying good health. Dear students, attend to your virtual classes and do your homework regularly. So it's your social studies class. Now students, here is your social studies book, and now students, get your social studies book class 4. Open page number 5. Let's start today chapter number 1. Now my dear students, open page number 1, and here is your chapter number 1, understanding our world. अपनी दुनिया के बारे में हम अंडरस्टैंड करेंगे. दिस इज अबाउट आवर वर्ल्ड एंड दिस इज द मैप ऑफ वर्ल्ड. व्हाट इज जियोग्राफी? जियोग्राफी इज अबाउट द वर्ल्ड वी लिव इन. It is about landforms and landscapes such as mountains, valleys, rivers, oceans, deserts, and volcanoes. So on our earth, on our world, there are different types of things are present, just like mountains, valleys, rivers, oceans, desert, and volcanoes. It is about great cities and far away places. Great cities and far away places. It is also about the places where you live, what it is like, and how it is changing. To study geography, geography पढ़ने के लिए it is important to know the location of places. हमें जगह की लोकेशन के बारे में पता होना चाहिए. We already know that the Earth's surface is made up of land masses and ocean. Our Earth's surface is made up of land and ocean. The land masses are called continents, and these are basically land masses, and these are called as continents. World map showing deserts, and here is some deserts on the world map, which are yellow in color. Globes and maps. Let's know about globe. What is globe and what are maps? Globes and maps tell us about places on earth. What is a globe? Globe is a model of earth shaped in a sphere and shows all the earth's land and water. ज़मीन का एक मॉडल है जिस पे ज़मीन के लैंड और वाटर के बारे में हमें पता चलता है, वो शो करता है. What is map? A map is a drawing of Earth's feature on a flat surface or a paper. This is the picture of map, and this is the map of Pakistan. So students, it shows the different places on the earth. What are difference between globe and map? What is the main difference between globe and map? Globe is three-dimensional object and shows the curvature of earth. A flat map is two-dimensional. Globe is three-dimensional and map is two-dimensional. On flat surface could be distorted in some places. Although globes are more accurate, but maps are easier to use. How do we study a map? हम मैप और ग्लोब को क्यों पढ़ते हैं? Map is an atlas or a book having a title which tells us the type or purpose of map. Map keys explains the meaning of lines, drawings, symbols, and colors on the map. Map scales helps measure to distance between the places, and arrows pointing north and on the map tell us the rest of the direction of the east, west, and south. Sometimes compass rose shows all four directions on map. So these all things map के जरिए हम जगहों को देखते हैं, लाइंस को देखते हैं, सिंबल्स को चेक करते हैं. मैप हमें जगहों के बारे में बताता है कि वो एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पे कितने फासले पर मौजूद है. मैप हमें बताता है डायरेक्शन के बारे में, नॉर्थ, ईस्ट, वेस्ट एंड साउथ के बारे में. समटाइम कंपास रोज शोज ऑल द फोर डायरेक्शन ऑन द मैप. सो दिस इज द मैप ऑफ पाकिस्तान, and this is basically climatic map of Pakistan, in which different types of climate shows in this picture. So let's move toward our next page. Why do we locate places on globe and map? How do we locate? हम कैसे तलाश करते हैं मैप पे जगह को और प्लेसेस को? Places are located when imaginary lines are used, such as the equator, which divided Earth into hemisphere. This is because the world is big place, and to understand location, it needs to divide it into smaller areas. Geographers use two main ways to divide the world. There are two main ways to divide the world. Number one is northern and southern hemisphere. This is the hemisphere above and northern and southern hemisphere. And second one is your southern, northern, southern. This is above hemisphere because it is very large and big in size. Our world is very large. So we divide this world into two hemisphere. Above hemisphere is called northern, and the south and the below hemisphere is known as southern hemisphere. Now let's know about northern and southern hemisphere. The equator is an imaginary line which divides Earth into two equal halves. ज़मीन को दो हिस्सों में, दो हाफ में डिवाइड किया गया है. The northern hemisphere lies above the equator. This is your equator line. This is black in color. So northern hemisphere lies above the equator. Equator के ऊपर है. While southern hemisphere lies below the equator. जो southern one है वो equator के नीचे की तरफ है. Pakistan is in the northern hemisphere. Where is Pakistan located? Pakistan is located in northern hemisphere. Australia is in the southern hemisphere. And where is Australia? Australia is on southern hemisphere. The big difference in the hemisphere is the season. There are two opposite times of the year in two seasons. In December, January and February, it is a summer, and in Australia, the sun positions near the southern hemisphere at this time. This makes it hot season. In Australia, in most areas of Pakistan, it is cold in these cold in these months. Land and water. Let's know about the land and water that is present in our world. Earth's surface is covered by 70% water. How many percent? 70% water. And these form lakes, rivers, seas and oceans. How many percent of water is present on Earth? 70%. And what are different things? Lakes, rivers, sea, darya, jheelein, samandar, oceans, etc. 30% of the Earth's surface is covered by land. The land is divided into 7 continents. Only 30% is present as in land. And how many continents? There are 7 continents. People live in the only 6th of the 7th continent. And people live only 6. 7 में से 6 के अंदर people रहते हैं. Antarctica near the South Pole is too cold for people to live there all the time, but penguins live there in a large number. This is the Antarctica continent, and it is very cold, but these penguins live there easily. Asia covers the largest area of the land and has the most population. Pakistan is located in the continent Asia. So Asia is the largest continent, and Pakistan is present on continent of Asia. 2 more imaginary lines are drawn, north and south. There are 2 north lines. One is north equator and south equator. They are called Tropic or Capricorn and Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Capricorn is south of the equator, and Tropic of Cancer is north of equator. These are in the temperature regions where it is hot in summer and cold in winter. Winter months are just for few months. ट्रॉपिक रीजन में ज़्यादा गर्मी होती है और सर्दियाँ बिल्कुल थोड़े महीनों के लिए आती हैं. We can see from the map that Pakistan lies in the temperature zone just above the tropic Cancer. So climate varies from tropical to temperature. Pakistan's landform include desert and plateaus in the south and plains in the mountain in the north. South में plateaus और सहरा और desert मौजूद हैं, लेकिन north में there are plains and mountains. This is about Pakistan. Around the world. This is page number 5. Around the world. Australia is the only country which covers a whole continent. It is the southern hemisphere and has seasons which are just opposite to the season in the northern hemisphere. The seasons in Australia are opposite to the countries in the northern hemisphere such as Pakistan. So as you should know students, Pakistan is present on northern hemisphere and Australia is present on southern hemisphere. So there is a climatic difference between two countries. Okay, here is a beautiful picture and this picture is about relief map of Australia showing animals. This is the map of Australia on which different animals live because it is very hot place. Dear student, look at this page. Seasons in Pakistan. Pakistan. There are four seasons in Pakistan: winter, summer, spring, and autumn. There are four seasons. So winter, November to February, from June to September. Spring, from March to May. This is the spring season, and autumn from October to November. So these are four seasons that are in Pakistan. Now let's move towards the seasons in Australia. Due to the time difference, winter. Winter is on the month of June to August. And in Pakistan, winter in summer in from June to September. So this is the difference at the time. Now summer from December to February. And December in Pakistan there is a different spring from September to November and autumn from March to May. So these are four seasons in Australia. And your exercise contains question answers and fill in the blanks. Let's move to solve the fill in the blanks of your textbook. Fill in the blanks. Earth's surface is made up of oceans and land masses called continents. Dash and dash are also used to find places on Earth. Maps and globes. These two things are used to find the places on the Earth. A globe is a dash-dimensional object, three-dimensional object. While the flat map is dash-dimensional representation, two-dimensional representation. A dash explains the meaning of lines, drawings, symbols and colors used on maps. Map key. There are different dash in northern hemispheres. Seasons. Dash is the southern hemisphere. It is too cold for peoples to live. Antarctica. So Antarctica is the coldest place that is present on southern hemisphere. Let's move towards solved question answers of your. Here are your solved question answers. Question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Dear student, note all these questions all these answers along their questions on your neat notebook and learn all these questions as well. Let's move towards some extra questions that are related to your reading portion. Question number 1, what is continent? Here is the answer of continent, and in our reading portion we have discussed about continent. How many continents are there? There are 7 continents and the names of continents are written here. So note this question on your notebook. What is an ocean? Ocean is a huge body of salt water. And how many oceans? World water is divided. 71% of the Earth's surface is composed of ocean. And here are some names of oceans: Pacific Oceans, Atlantic Oceans, Indian Oceans, Arctic Oceans and Antarctic Oceans. What is difference between map and globe? This question is also present on your textbook questions. So here is the difference between map and globe. For example, you are planning to explore a forest in remote area not having enough communication means. Which of the following would you prefer and why? Map and a globe. Map would be preferred over the globe. So students, note this. Here are some task number 3, some more questions. Why is continent of Australia different from countries in the continent of Asia? This part is also discussed in our reading portion. Why Australia experiences summer in the month of December, January and February? This is due to the sun position. That in December, January and February, the sun position near the southern hemisphere, making it hot season in Australia. What is equator? Here is the definition of equator. Equator is an imaginary line that divides the earth into two halves. There are two halves, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Let's move toward today's homework. Dear students, read unit number 1 thoroughly at your home. Solve fill in the blanks and all question answers on neat notebook and learn all these question answers as well. Dear students, if you have any question regarding this lecture, call me at school's number. I will answer your all queries. Dear student, complete all the tasks that are assigned to you in 2 days and share the picture of your homework on school WhatsApp number. That's all for today. See you next time. Take care, stay home, stay safe and Allah Hafiz.